All right, so right now I'm sitting inside of a 2021 Honda Pilot, and we're going to talk about the shift-by-wire. Now keep this in mind that this is only available on selected models and trim levels, okay? So with the shift-by-wire, it's pretty quick, pretty easy. As you notice, there's no shifter right here, okay? It's all going to be push buttons. So a lot of questions, how do you change your gears? What's the safety measures? Let's talk about right now. So with your safety measures, it's going to be the same thing if you're sitting right here in park. If you're driving down the road, people cannot throw your car in reverse or put you in park. So I can hit these buttons right here. As you can see, it's not changing the gear. Nice little warning comes up to, to shift. I have to apply onto the brake pedal, get the vehicle to a stop, then I can shift. So as I put my foot down on the brake, I hit drive. Comes out with a nice little green around it, lets you know, gives you a little quick visual from over here, and then up top as well. As you can see, you're in drive. If I hit neutral, you get a nice little red lights here off to the side. Look at that, I'm in neutral. Now with your reverse, it's a little different. It's a pull back button from here. So I pull this back towards us. Green lights right here next to reverse. Your multi-angle rear camera pops right up. Reverse. Then we got park. Nice red, vehicle's in park, it's in park from that point. So yeah, that's going to be the shift-by-wire. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment down below or contact me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda. And then if you also found this video helpful, feel free to share it with friends and family, and then hit the like and the subscribe button. All right, guys, well, thank you again for watching. This is Crazy Honda Chris, putting dreams in driveways.